From buttery croissants that melt in your mouth, to the sizzle of escargot and garlic butter, get ready to indulge in a mouth-watering journey through the 10 most iconic dishes of French cuisine. Join us as we uncover the artistry and flavors that have made French cooking a global sensation. Here are 10 of the most popular and iconic dishes that showcase the artistry of French cooking. Number 1. Croissant. This buttery, flaky pastry is a breakfast staple loved for its delicate layers and irresistible aroma. Number 2. Escargot. A true delicacy, snails are cooked with garlic, butter, and herbs, offering a unique texture and flavor experience. Number 3. Coq au vin. A hearty stew featuring chicken slow-cooked in red wine with vegetables and aromatic herbs, creating a harmonious blend of tastes. Number 4. Bouillabaisse. Hailing from Marseille, this fish stew bursts with flavors of various seafood, saffron, and a fragrant broth. Quiche Lorraine. A savory tart filled with a delectable mix of cream, eggs, bacon, and cheese, offering a delightful balance of textures. Number 6. Beef bourguignon. A comforting dish where beef is slow-cooked in red wine, resulting in tender meat and a rich, flavorful sauce. Number 7. Duck à l'orange. A masterpiece that combines succulent duck with a tangy orange sauce, resulting in a harmonious sweet and savory blend. Number 8. Ratatouille. This vegetable medley showcases the beauty of French cuisine with its colorful layers of eggplant, zucchini, tomatoes, and more. Number 9. Cassoulet. A hearty casserole featuring white beans, sausages, and various meats, originating from the south of France. Number 10. Crème brûlée. A luscious dessert where a creamy custard is topped with a layer of caramelized sugar, offering a satisfying contrast in texture. These dishes represent the artful approach that French chefs take in crafting culinary masterpieces. Each bite carries a piece of France's cultural heritage, inviting you to experience the depth of flavors and traditions that have made French cuisine iconic around the globe.